Frank curiously asked exactly why we have all of these specific ruler lines right here. And how can we effectively adjust and reposition these specific design details? Then how can we make sure that these details are placed and aligned with precision exactly where we want them to be? For example, we might want this detail like this hemline to perfectly line up and correspond exactly with this ruler line, or for these details to be placed precisely exactly where they are required. When placing them together, there's a trick here. You click on the point you want to place onto the line, then press the spacebar on your keyboard, release the spacebar immediately, then zoom in on the area around the ruler line, place it exactly at the ruler line, click once, and that point will be positioned right on the ruler line. Or if you want the hem point on this side to snap to the hem point on the other side, you click on it, click on this hem point, press the spacebar and release it right away. We move the mouse here, close to this spot. When you see the red point appear, it means they're snapping together. They're snapping together. Just left click once and they'll snap together. It's really that easy. For example, up here, let's say this is a vertical ruler line. You drag the vertical ruler line here. Now, if you want this waist point to be exactly on this ruler line, you click on the waist point, press the space bar once, press and release the space bar right away, then move the mouse to the ruler line. Click on the ruler line once, and 100% this point will be exactly on the ruler line.